Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sake to toumorokoshi no pilaf. It's rice cooked with salmon and corn. There is no too Japanesey thing in the ingredients, and you just need to put everything in a pot and cook. So it's super easy to make, but the outcome is amazingly flavorful. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this sake to toumorokoshi no pilaf. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 300 grams of salmon, 1½ tablespoon of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of butter, canned corn, and some salt and pepper. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. The water don't have to be perfectly clear. Let's put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so let's put 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and let it sit for half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's prepare the salmon. Sprinkle some salt on both sides of the salmon. It's just random amount, but I would say 1 teaspoon for the whole amount. And let it sit for 10 minutes. And canned corn. You just need to drain it. This is 120 grams, but you can use more. Let's just drain. The rice has been soaked for half an hour, so let's start to cook. Put the chicken stock and a little bit of salt and pepper. Drained corn, and salmon. It's sweating because of the salt, so dry them with paper towel and place them on top. put butter, cover with the lid and just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it steam for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. Let's remove the skin and bones if there is any. Then fluff and mix. Serve in the rice bowl. Black pepper if you like. And sake to toumorokoshi no pilaf. It's ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's such a simple dish with simple ingredients, but it's so rich, buttery, and flavorful. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Sake to toumorokoshi no pilaf goes here, and spinach miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes. But how about spinach and egg stir fry for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. There is enough protein in these dishes, so let's pass the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!